Hey everybody, this is Professor Tom Welch, and on behalf of myself and Dr. Mia Pierre, I want to welcome you to our Valencia Voyage Canvas course. I want to encourage you to work through the modules and then take the quiz at the end of each of the modules, and each of those modules is going to help you with one of your steps to enrollment. So by the time you've done the module, you'll know exactly what you need to do to establish residency, get your transcript sent over, and all that jazz. Also, those quizzes at the end of the chapter are just so that we know that you have had the chance to conquer that material. So take them as many times as you want to. They're all pretty simple. By the time you're done, we will also have had a chance to meet with you personally as your faculty advisors to go over your classes and make sure you are totally good to go in the fall. But until then, continue to work through the modules and let us know if you have any questions whatsoever. Just hit us up in Canvas and we will get back to you ASAP. Welcome to the Voyage. We're so glad you're here.